Hello friends, welcome to the channel. If today is your first time visiting with us, we want to extend you a very warm welcome and tell you we're very excited that you found our channel. We also want to invite you to look at our almost 400 videos that are arranged in playlists, as we're very confident that you're going to find something both enjoyable and entertaining for your personal use. If you've been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. If today is your birthday, happy birthday. Today we're going to show you another fun project made from our scrap, and we went to our scrap bin and we collected some pieces of wood, and we're going to turn these pieces of wood into something useful. So stick around and see what we're going to make today. So today, using just scrap from our bin and a couple of hooks, we're going to build a very easy and fun and totally useful coffee cup tree for you. And that would be a great addition to your kitchen to put your favorite cups, or a very great gift that you can build for someone to give. So stick around to see how we're going to do it. So we're going to start with our piece of 2x4 that we found in our scrap. And first we're going to we're going to make it be flush here so we can cut it and in essence make a square, have both dimensions the same. Does that make sense?
So you're kind of measuring the width of it so it'll be square.
Well, I'm not measuring, I'm just...
Well, it is still a measurement.
All right. But before we do that, I want to take like an eighth out of the 2x4, right? And we are going to knock the rounded edges that make it clearly look like a 2x4 off. And can we do this without losing power? That is the question.
That would be negatory.
Why did it stop though? Huh? Did it again? Okay, so we have made this 2x4 flat with edges on one side, and we're going to use it now as a spacer here. So we're going to cut a piece that in essence will be square. We don't know exactly what the dimension is, probably 1.5, a little less because we'll cut a little bit, right?
Mm-hmm.
Don't go towards the blade, leave it there. And now we have a perfect square, as you can see, with all the sides of it square. And it's probably a little too tall, don't you think?
I think it's all right.
For what we want? You want it that tall?
Maybe.
Okay. So now we need to make the base. So we need to get the sled. So now we're going to use one of our other scraps and we're going to square it. And lastly, we're going to do the same here, right? You want 1 inch all around? I mean, I don't know if we can do all around 1 inch, but
Yeah, it won't be quite an inch. It'll be like 3/4. Doesn't have to be perfect, right?
no, it's rustic.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't need that because that can move and be dangerous. Ready? So with all our cuts done, you can probably turn the light.
Making a top too.
You want to make a top too, honey? You ready?
Yep.
So how small you want it now? We are eyeballing this. There is no reason to measure. This is a rustic and quick piece. You don't want to see it there? No?
Yeah. We'll have to sand a little bit to get that off.
Or we can cut it off. Do you want to stay or you want it off? So this is a rough dry fitting. We're going to glue it and brad nail everything together, and we're going to be right back with you.
They're short screws, baby. You don't need.
I want to have them both at the same time, so I'm making a through. Does it make sense? Why doesn't it lock? Okay. Okay, we should have one, right? Okay, we only need one. All right. So, should we put those first and then do the rest? I guess.
I think.
Yes. Of this square, okay?
No.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Make it a little bit longer. So we can see it when this is standing on
I
top.
think we can see it. Let's see. You don't think we can see it?
Nope. Make it a little bit longer.
It's not on the same spot.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah. So is that the correct orientation?
Yeah.
Okay. And
It's going to be slippery. There we go.
I'll hold it.
All right.
If you tell me when you're ready, I'll just do it. You'll probably have to hold it, otherwise.
Yeah, I know.
Okay?
Maybe a little, like one or two more.
The glue will hold it. Okay. And we try to avoid having any of the nail sewing, and that's why we're doing it this way.
I want the grain to go the same way, right?
Makes no difference.
I vote
Opposite?
yes. I vote yes.
I said it makes no difference.
I think it just depends on the look you're going for, and I just like the grain to go the same way.
Again, you see some marks here on our board because all these are from previous projects. And that's why you see the marks. You ready?
No, not yet. Almost. Okay. No, middle. Oh, I guess you can do all over.
Okay. We don't need that many.
I like it.
Okay, you like it. So the thing starts saving, and we are going to crown it with what is in essence a doorknob, a wooden door, huh?
A little drawer pull.
Right, drawer pull or door pull or whatever. And I haven't quite figured out how I'm going to do this without sewing anything. Okay, we decided we're going to glue and tack the top, the crown if you wish, right? Why are you cleaning it?
Because I did it on the wrong side. Because this has a hole.
Okay, that is not
I
centered.
know. I know. Let me keep working on it till I get it where it needs to be. And my fingers.
You sure you don't want it on top of your fingers?
I'm sure.
We're out. Ready?
Can you see okay?
It was supposed to be okay, wasn't it?
It is. It is okay. I'm just making sure it's straight.
It is self-centering. Let's do the other side now. Because I want to see how we're going to, what hole we need to use. I think this is
You
correct
don't know
here.
what hole to use?
No, I don't. Okay, can you hold it?
Only when I can see it. Which hole you want to use?
This.
Is it right?
Yes. Make sure it's straight.
Making sure it's straight.
Okay.
Okay, not too tight. And you can't move it.
You want me to undo it? Okay. That's what you get both holes, right? Okay. So a little glue and let's.
Yeah,
What?
this is twisting, so we really need more than one little nail hole.
No, because we only want it. So for our top, we don't need to do anything else but glue because it's just ornamental. Is that the right term?
Decorative.
Now you could finish this or leave it as it is. You can paint it or you can stain it or you can sushi bang it.
Sushi bang?
What is it called?
Shusugi ben.
Suzuki bang it.
Yeah.
Don't bang it. Suzuki bang it.
Which actually would go really well since we kind of have a little bit of burn there.
Yeah, I agree.
So-
I think that it could be burned and that would look really nice.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to find
Okay.
a little bit. All right, friends, and here's our finished product. As you can see, it's a very nice product, very useful, and a great gift that you can make easily in an afternoon, right? In our case, it just took us scraps and the hooks, that there were a couple of dollars. Now, if you don't have scraps, this is still about the dollar project without the hooks. So $3 with the hooks. But for under $5, if you want to buy everything, right, the little knob, and if you don't have anything, for under $5 you can have a very nice, would you call that rustic? What is the?
It's kind of cottage style
Call that farmhouse.
farmhouse.
And this has very basic skill requirement. I would say this is for the beginning woodworker. Would you agree?
Yeah, and you could have done it with even more basic tools like your Japanese saw.
Well, yeah, you can do it with a hand saw. Primarily, the reason we use the power tools is because the production of the videos takes also time. So it takes us longer than it would take us if we were just building the item, right? We have to stop and do other things. So, all right, friends, we're at the end of our episode. And I hope you enjoyed this short episode and this nice build. And if you did, please smash that like button. It's really important and it really helps us a lot. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Share, like, subscribe, and comment, and let us know what you want to see in the channel in the near future. From the Garage Wizard, Mrs. Wizard, and Alpida in the Urban Homesteading channel, we bid you a great week.